Hi, I'm Uncle Mark. Welcome to the channel. Just working on my 1997 Chrysler Intrepid. Maybe you have a Dodge Intrepid. Canada, they were Chryslers. And the third brake light, that's the brake lights in the window, back window, not working. So I'm going to check them out, see what's wrong, if it's the bulbs or not, and I'm going to show you how to change them. Let's get right to it. So actually both of my bulbs were out, but I put one in there just to show you one missing. This is how I accessed it. Everything out of the trunk. Got my big body in here. This is why I stay big and fat. Pretty hard to get kidnapped when you can't fit in the trunk. This is what it looks like when you're laying down in here. And really that's the only way you're going to get out of this easily. So they just turn to the left counterclockwise. And I took a quick look at the bulb, and it's like, doesn't look like anything wrong with it to me, but well, let's take it out. So I did the other side as well, and I thought, oh, this is going to be more problems than not. These bulbs look good. Well, they did in this light. Until I actually pulled them out. They just pull out, wiggle them out. The 921s, I'll tell you what they are right away here. They look pretty clear. Until I got them in some other light, and it's like, oh, they're both black. So anyway, I bought a couple 921s. That's what was in here. I don't have the book to show what the size should have been, but I'm imagining that's the original ones. Now, the way they go in here, it's kind of like a plus sign, but they only fit one way. You cannot put them in each of those edges of the plus are not the same. So it only goes in one way. And you're going to stick it in once you figure out which way it goes in, and then turn it right or clockwise. You'll feel it when it goes in. You're going to have to... Basically the wires, the way this was, hang a certain way there. You can reverse the recording here and see. Now when they turn to the right, they're supposed to snap and lock. But there's something wrong with these as well. But the car is how old, right? So I have to figure out how this sits in here. I think I was turning them too far left. Once I got them in, turn them to the right, clockwise again, and they should snap in. But this one wants to fall out. It's like it doesn't want to lock in. It goes in the hole. So you can see the one end is actually bigger. It's like the 1 o'clock position versus the 8 o'clock position. So I could have just left them like that, but you know me. So I figured I'm going to take a tie strap and tie the wires to the right to another wire there so that they're kind of locked in place. I'm sure they would have been fine, but I thought maybe they're going to rattle around and make the bulb go dead. So you see what I'm going to do here too. I'm going to tie strap that, and then I got myself out. Not the easiest way to do it, but then we can take a look, double check, make sure they work, and I'm done.
Okay.
Well, that's it. That wasn't too hard to do. If it is the brake light bulbs that are the issue, I'll put a link right up here when I get some time as to maybe how you can check the fuses for this in case it's not the bulbs, or possibly it could be even the brake switch itself. Appreciate you watching. Give me the thumbs up if you like the video. You can subscribe down in the corner as well. And right here, just above that big blue circle, you'll see the yellow arrow flashing there, a link to a playlist on the Chrysler Intrepid, or Dodge Intrepid. I might as well just call it an Intrepid. I'm sure there's not too many videos out there on these anyway. Until next time, and this is the only important part, you stay safe, stay healthy, you and your family. Bye-bye from Uncle Mark.
Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Plus, please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.
Oh, you kidding?
So I'll show you how I was able to change them and what kind of, blah, blah, blah.